Hello hopefuls, and welcome back to my channel. I want to share with you my fall kitchen tour and just a few updates that I did around the kitchen. Not a whole lot, but a few touches here and there, and let's get started with it. It does take a minute for my kitchen to get totally clean. Someone always wants to come in and eat. Hubby came in, but he did a great job cleaning up his mess. And Saya wants a sandwich, so I have to make this really quickly. And the sun is going down, but I think I have really great lighting so far, or during this video, so I should be good. Okay, well, I can get started over here on my countertops, and I'm still playing around with this, but this was just one of those orange pumpkins from Dollar Tree. I cut out the center, and then I had some berries or from Dollar Tree from some other projects, and then some foliage there. So not foliage, but the cacti like foliage, so I added that into the pumpkin. I just wanted to add that. And then I have like a Target One Spot farmers market or crate, and I think these are so cute, and I just turned it around. It says farmers market on the other side, and I just put some snacks in here. And then I'm also going to put some muffins on here for them on the go, not a whole lot, and I just placed those little pumpkin plates there and a pumpkin there. So I'm still debating if I'm going to leave that bright orange pumpkin there. And then I placed all of Jason's and mine too, protein drink stuff right in this cabinet, which we keep the NutriBullet and all of the attachments and the shaker bottles right in there. So I needed a break from seeing that on the counter, and I just placed that same tray that I used it up in underneath to corral all of this. So really I want to scoot this down just a little bit more to the end of the bar, but I was trying to make where they can still get to the outlet over there. And I just have the Glade Cozy Autumn plug-in right here, and I did pick up a wallflower. I will make sure I will link that video in the card if you have not seen that, from Bath and Body Works. A few things that I picked up. I picked up this candle as well, and as well Autumn that day. So I can't find my plug-in to say all that. And then I just have my little trivet here that I recently got, and I showed that in the haul as well. And actually the air fryer was right here beside it, but I decided to put it in the corner over there, and it fits perfectly over there because it's really big. It's bigger than our other air fryer, so it's perfect over there in that corner. And so usually you need some type of trivet to place that air fryer on. So I just corralled all these little Dollar Tree items together, and everything. This trivet is from Walmart. It was in a 2-pack. Target, Dollar Tree, and Target One Spot. And I absolutely love this bread box. I had one, but I shouldn't have maybe got that color. I loved it at the time, but I was really outgrowing that color. I will make sure I will link it below. I got it off of Amazon, and I really like it. It has a lot of items in here. I can put 2 loaves of bread in here, and also the tortilla wrap, so I like that. And they actually have them on the bottom, but I like the fact that you can put them on the side so you know that you have them in here. I don't know why they did that, so I already know I have some, so I really like that. And then over here in the corner I have the air fryer. I have this rubber trivet that came with my other air fryer, and I just place it on top. And then I have my little fan fragrance warmer. I think it's a warmer from Hobby Lobby. So I really like this. I need to fix those cords a little bit better than that, but I love that. And I need to get a Christmas scent or holiday scent. So this time came from Hobby Lobby, and it was really easy to hang. Just has one little hook in the back, and I had it up here on the counter for a while now, and I said I'm gonna go ahead and just put that on the wall. So yeah, I placed that there. An update that I would like to do, I have been doing this in every room in my kitchen, is I've been talking about forever, is the backsplash. So I want to do that and hire someone, work on that maybe next year, and maybe down the road some granite and do an overlay. So this is we've been here since 2010, and I was the one, Jason had to work to go pick out everything at the design center. So I knew the prices of everything, and I wasn't quite ready to make changes. And at the moment, granite was a whole lot. So my realtor was like, well, I hope you can do the overlay later. And I was like, well, I really don't like the look of the overlay, but I may still consider it. But that will be something that I would like to do down the road, but the backsplash will be first. And then also, guys, I said for a really long time that I love my cabinets. I love the dark cabinetry. And as time goes on, I think your tastes change, things change, and then I didn't want to do what everybody else does, but when you love something, you don't care. So I do want to eventually paint my cabinets. I'm not doing it no time soon, though. I would do the backsplash first, but I would like to get white subway tile because that's what the model house had, and I would like to paint the cabinets a lighter color. But that is something that I really would like to do, is change the cabinetry. But that sticker price that I remember was a lot for these cabinets, so it'll be on the back burner. I did pick up my rugs from Big Lots, and I showed them on Instagram at one time, and I just had these two, and I thought the runners will be, try not to go too fast. But I just recently got that one over there because I needed one more, and I like the pattern of it. I think it flows with the colors in here, but I was kind of thinking maybe it doesn't, but I have to have some type of color. So if you guys have seen previous videos, or I think on Instagram or Facebook, I moved these curtains up, and then Mama said, now you need longer curtains. So I moved these curtains up, and then I recently got that magnolia leaf wreath from Walmart, and I was watching the Robin's Nest. I believe that's who I was watching, and she showed the magnolia leaf at Walmart. They were $12, and I actually was eyeing one from Kirkland's, and I actually could make my own, but by the time you buy the glycerin and all that, because I have a trees in my backyard. But yeah, I like that one. It's $12. It's in the seasonal section, and I kind of wanted to play off the magnolia leaf over there in my breakfast nook area. So over here, I just have my Mrs. Meyer's items, and I just finished using my sponge, so it's still wet, so I'll leave it out. But I have a tray here that pulls out, and I can put sponges in there. And then I love this topiary from Kirkland's. It's super heavy, but I love it. I found some way to put it in here. And then I got this shelf from Marshall's. I thought it was super pretty. I've been eyeing some things like this similar to that pattern or the structure of it, with that whitewash rustic look. And then I picked up this tray recently. I showed it in that Michael's mini haul, and this is like $2 and some change with their sale. And then also I picked up this little fall in love sign from Michael's as well. It was like $3. And then from Joann's I picked up this Autumn's Blessings. It was 60% off as well, and I thought it was really neat to place a decor towel and then my hand towel back there in the back, a washcloth in the back. And then over here I used to have the kitchen sign, but I switched out the grateful, thankful, and blessed sign here, and I think it looks really good right there. And then I just have my utensils here, and then over here I added some fall decor, some pumpkins. I have my candle from Kirkland's, and then the Target One Spot Gather Together sign. And then I switched out the greenery and flowers up here from the Dollar Tree above the scale clock. And this scale came from Kirkland's as well. So the basket is just a basket I turned over from the Target one spot. And the pumpkin, the white pumpkin, is from Dollar Tree. The burlap one from Dollar Tree. And the sage green one from Target one spot. The Blessed Kitchen, if I mentioned it before, but it's from Hobby Lobby. And then I don't remember, oh, this is from Dollar General. I got this a while ago. It was actually brown, and I used some chalk paint and painted it. And then I have my toaster oven over here, and then a trivet, so when I pull out the pan, we'll have the trivet there. And then over here I have like some fruit and some vegetables. And then up there I showed before the farmhouse sign from Michael's. I think it was in the spring collection. And then that topiary ball is from Aldi. The tobacco wreath basket is from Hobby Lobby. And then the little piece that the topiary ball is sitting on is actually from Dollar Tree, and I painted it. So over here I have, it's still a work in progress, my pantry. I like this. I got this sign from Hobby Lobby, and I use the command strips. So I think I said this before in another video, but just in case if you didn't see it. And then I recently got this grocery sign. I wanted it for a while. I don't know why, but I probably really should put it over here and do some like mini collage, or either move this up, and I'm still working on this here. But this whole area needs to be painted. And this came from Michael's, and it was 60% off. And then over here, because I have a lot of words, and sometimes I have to watch myself with the words because I have words here, words here, words here. But the eat came from Hobby Lobby. And then they give us this daily bread came from Michael's. These little boards, and I guess I should turn the light on over here. The little boards came from Tuesday Morning. And then the little mail thing here came from Michael's. So really I don't have too much over here. And then this little piece, I don't remember where I got it from, but I chalk painted that too. And I had this for a while. I want to say I got this from Home Goods or from Marshall's. And then I have these little Dollar Tree Happy Thanksgiving, give thanks. I know it's early, but I just went ahead and put them up here, these little magnets. And you know what? Something's missing. Saya's been missing because I think it was like a little turkey or something with it. And I have a list here where I put like grocery stuff if I can remember, and I'm already down here. And then that's where we put our weekly menu up here, and I got this from Target, so they still have this. And the boys picture, JJ and Saya, not JJ and Saya, Catrell and Saya. So oh my gosh, this is, I do that guys now, this is Catrell and JJ. So look how little JJ was in Trail. So growing up. And then Saya made this, and I keep it on the refrigerator because Saya, we're doing like homeschool, preschool, so he doesn't really go to school. And he did this, I think, at the gym. He did this at the gym. So they did like a craft project that day, so I kept it, and I just keep it up there. And then I didn't do anything here. So this came from AC Moore, if I recall, and these are Dollar Tree. So that is it, guys. Oh, well, my little island, my little board is from Pioneer Woman, Dollar Tree. These little things come loose, so the only way to fix it is, Josiah was pulling and tearing at it, is to take this heavy granite countertop off and then put the screw in and tighten it. So I just use like strips to attach it. And then here I just have my paper towels and all my paper products. And I had this caddy since last year. I think it was springtime. And it was like in the garden spring collection. And I said that would be great for my paper products. And then I keep my extra dish mats in here. I still haven't figured out what this is for. So if you guys know, let me know. But that is it, guys. I normally don't break my fall. Well, I really don't do too many fall tours, or I do Christmas, but I thought it would be fun to do it this way and do it a little bit different. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Turn on that notification bell so you'll be alerted when any new videos come out from me. So thanks so much, guys, for always supporting and coming back and watching. And I read all your comments. Thanks so much, guys. And don't forget, there is always hope. Bye-bye.
They thought they seen the light. When you're closing in, you know you're done. Thought you knew all the answers.